What's up, people? Hunter Spoke Riders here. It's a crazy thing happened yesterday. Let me show you what happened. I didn't see it live, but I did catch it on the video camera, on our surveillance camera. This happened when my batteries was dead on my regular camera, so we did catch it on surveillance, so check it out. Check out this crazy wind in Arizona. Watch. Damn. That's crazy, huh? The fucking wind blew the tree down. Let's see if I can get a better picture of it. I'll be winding for you. Alright, let me see if I can zoom a little better. Alright. Look at this tree right here in the corner. This tree right here. Check it out. Bam! Just a gust of wind just came by and just blew the tree down. That's crazy, huh? Like I said, I didn't catch this on camera. This happened when I was out there peeling the plastic dip off my rims. Future video on that coming soon. But I figured I'd just let you guys check that out. Show you this crazy Arizona wind. That's what happened yesterday. Let me take you out here and I'll show you the aftermath. Alright. So I decided yesterday I was out here, nothing really major going on with these vehicles, because honestly I just ain't been in the mood to work on cars. I've been working so much on my job. We had 3 people to quit, so I ain't really had a lot of time to play around. I've been working way more hours than I'm really supposed to be working. But anyways, I haven't really had a lot of time or energy to work on these cars, but I did decide I wanted to peel the plastic dip off my rims. I'll do a future video on that later. I got one side peeled off. I still gotta peel the center cap, and I haven't done the driver's side yet. Hell, I might just ride like this for a little while. Give me 2 different looks. One look on the driver's side, one look on the passenger side. But I'll do a video about the peeling the plastic dip here in a little while. But when I was out here working on this old 96 Caprice, when I was out here peeling this old plastic dip off, basically I took a break and went inside. And while I was inside, a big gust of wind came and blew this tree down over here. This is crazy. So let me show you. So I figured, this happened yesterday, I figured I better get this footage in before the people, since it's kind of blocking the bike trail a little bit, before the city comes and takes it away. But could you imagine this, minding your business, riding down the street, or riding down the bike trail, big gust of wind comes by and a tree falls on top of you. That would have been crazy if somebody, I'm glad nobody got hurt, but it's just so random too, because it wasn't even raining, it wasn't doing nothing, just a tree. Alright, just letting y'all see what we got to deal with, this crazy Arizona wind. Wind so strong it's blowing trees down and shit. Anyway, there you have it, folks. Crazy little Arizona wind going on. and just letting you guys see what's happening. Be on the lookout. Stay tuned. New videos will be coming. Hunter Spoke Riders signing out to the next episode. All right.